In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Target gift card. So it's pretty simple to buy Target gift card. One is you can go physically in the Target store, which is the America's largest retail store, and buy it physically. The other is by going to its online website. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy it on the online version. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel 1-2-STEP, and let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to go to target.com and log in into your Target account. After you do that, on the search engine, you want to search for Target gift card. After you search for Target gift card, you want to choose which gift card you want. So for this example, I'm going to go with birthday one. So I'm going to click on birthday, but you can choose whichever you want. And from over here, let's say I want to give a ribbon box gift card. I'm going to click on choose option. And from over here, you can either go on mail, which means you're going to receive the physical one, or mobile, which means you're going to receive it on SMS, or email, which means you're going to receive it on email. So I'm going to go on email, and over here, I want to get like a $50 one, so I'm going to choose $50. And on quantity, I'm going to choose one because I want one of this ribbon box gift card. And I'm going to click on add to cart. Now I need to wait for some time until it's added to the cart. Once it's added to the cart, I'm going to click on view cart and checkout. Now basically, as you guys can see, once you're over here, click on checkout again. Once you click on checkout, it's going to ask you to log in into your account, which I'm going to do real quick. And after enter the password of your account, it's going to take you over here. Now basically it's going to ask you for your address and your payment method. After you do all this stuff, then basically your card will be sent to the email and whichever email you typed over here. So that's basically how you guys can buy Target gift card. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe with notification on, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.